The corrosion here is significant, down to the chassis. Confirmed. The front clip will require extensive work. I'm logging the bumper deterioration now. Look at the extent of this oxidation. The structural integrity here is completely compromised. The algorithm flagged this as critical failure point.
Tension steady on the chain. The chassis is clearing the weeds now.
Almost over the ramps now. Easy does it. Yeah. Clear on the deck. Hold it there.
Patina is heavy. We're looking at significant metal work on the rear quarter.
Agreed. Let's flag the bumper chrome for full replacement.
Okay, clear on this side. How's your end looking?
Clearance is good. Keep the hoist steady. Look at the corrosion here on the cross member, right where we marked it. Yes, the oxidation is worse than expected. We need to reinforce this section.
Separation on this side.
All right, take it to the bench. Okay, bring the rear edge up just a fraction.
How does that look against the template now?
Still tight on the passenger side curve. Another small ding right above the arch. Got it. The trunk alignment looks solid though. Clear on the left, just a few more millimeters. Perfect. suspension aligned? Yes, everything looks precise. Brakes are secured. Setting the torque now. How's the alignment looking? Spot on, looks perfect. Hand me the pads. Easy now, down just a fraction more. Confirmed contact on the rear mounts. Alignment is spot on. Still can't believe how flawless the chrome turned out. It's showroom ready. Best one yet.